This camera right here is insane. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Tyler Show, and in today's video we are reviewing the DJI Osmo Pocket. This is a micro 4K gimbalized camera. It shoots 4K, like I just said, in 60 frames per second. It has a whole bunch of other cool features we'll be getting into later in this video, but we're gonna start unboxing this. So let's unbox this amazing camera. Okay, so now we're going to be unboxing this. It comes in a box like this. This is the way it came from B&H. I bought this on B&H. If you guys know what B&H is basically the Amazon, a photo and video store. I highly recommend it. Had a great prices, competitive prices. Anyway, this cost about $349 to get. So to unbox this thing comes in a plastic case. So let's take off the plastic to get into the box. Okay, so we just got to the box now, so I'm going to go open the box now. Okay, so first up we got in this container right here is the charging cables for the camera. So this is what you use to charge your camera. It is a USB. We also got here, we've got some pair of connectors for your phone. It connects to the Mimo app. So this is the connectors that go to the Mimo app. And then right here we've got the charging cable. This charges the cable. This is the charging cable right here. And then this, like I'm saying before, this is the case. You put it on your wrist so you don't lose the camera or drop it. So that is all right there. So then right in here, this is the camera. So let's open this up. So the camera comes in a case, so you don't break the case. It's very nice of a case. Very good of a case. So this comes in a case. It also comes with the instruction manual and another instruction manual. 2 instruction manuals comes with. Okay guys, so now we're going to go doing a test of the camera. I just unboxed it. It so far looks so good. I just have to download the Mimo app, and then we're going to do a test of the camera. So this is the onboard audio from the Osmo Pocket camera. Hopefully it sounds pretty good. I do plan to still using my main vlogging camera as the GoPro Hero 4, but this will be basically my B-roll camera. So if you guys did enjoy this video, please hit the subscribe button right down below and smash that notifications bell. And also like this video and drop me a comment, because I'll see you next week for another video.